Hey there guys, Andycraft here with another bucket/spigot tutorial. We are working on our account system from our core/hub system, kind of like mineplex. So we left off last time working in the account system and we just finished add player. Today we are going to do a few more methods. So we're just going to jump in and go public boolean and contains UUID. Okay. And for contains UUID, we're going to give it string. And we're going to give it player underscore name. Okay. And then we are going to go, where is it? I'm going to grab right here this select from information and drag it down here, and this is just res1, just regular res. And instead of player UUID, we change this to player name. Oh, whoops. Forgot to put that in the try method. So we need to do try. There we go. So we need to try that. Try to grab from the result set. And then it's going to check if, and then not res dot next. Then we are going to do return false. And other than that, then we want to return true. And then we want to do catch. And we're pretty much going to be catching the exact same thing. So I'm just going to actually copy right there. Okay. So we want to catch you know, print stack, and then under that we want to return false. And there we go. So now contains UUID is done. So the next thing we're going to do is get UUID. So we are going to go public boolean. Oh wait. Oh no, not public boolean. Public string gets UUID, and we are going to give it parameters of string and player name, or player underscore name. Okay. And we are going to do result set, and res. There we go. And then we're going to try. And we're going to try res equals mini plugin dot get SQL strictly dot query SQL, and then let's just scroll up. We want to go select from information where select. So we pretty much are just going to select this, just so we don't have to type as much. Okay. So select from information where name, equals, and then we're going to do 1 bracket, 2 bracket, plus player name, let's see, player name plus 2 brackets, 1 bracket, and there we go. Last thing. There we go. Okay. So let's see, where was I? After the res, I'm just going to do a space and do res dot next, and then return res dot get string, and it's going to be UUID. Okay, so then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to catch and we're going to catch class not found exception and E, and then we'll do two brackets, and then we're going to catch, and then we're going to catch SQL exception, and then E. And there we go. And then after that, we are just going to return false, or not return false, return null. Okay. So we have get UUID now. So now we're going to, have we done the add player if they're missing? Player exists. Nope. Okay. So let's see what we're doing on time. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go public void add player if missing, so add player if missing, if missing. There we go. And this one, we are going to give it a few parameters. We'll do, except these are going to be final. Final string and player UUID and final string player name. Okay. So now we are going to check if mini plugin dot game, and then okay, and then we don't have the game set up yet, so that's just going to return null for now. And we're going to do else. Oops. else we're going to do the buckets. Buckets dot get, I think it's scheduler dot run task, and I think this is it. And then it would be hub dot instance, and then the second arg would be new runnable. I know that's time to look at this. Alright. Alright, let's just try that. This might fix it. And there. Add unimplemented method. Well, yeah. Okay. So this is going to work. So we don't need to put the add override. It should know what we mean. And then we're going to check if not player exists, and we want to grab the player UUID. We want to add player, and then we'll give it player UUID underscore player name. There we go. So now I guess we can, let's see, what are we doing on time? Alright, we have enough time for now. So we are going to jump down, and we're going to do public ranks, get rank, and we're going to give it string player UUID. Alright, and then we're going to go if not this dot player exists player UUID. We want to grab, we're just going to do bucket dot broadcast message, and this is just going to be a test variable just to see if this method is working. We are just going to call it problem1. You won't have to keep this forever. Alright, so let's see. Duplicate local variable. Did I already do get rank? Nope. Yeah, that's right. Alright, well, we will let that see if it fixes on its own. I think it will. Alright, so then we want to return ranks dot defaults. Huh. Alright, well, we're gonna leave that like how it is for now because that should be fine. Should be. I'm not saying it's going to be, but I'm saying it should be. Okay. Back where I was. So next thing we're gonna do is check if mini plugin dot get. Oh, I guess we need to write that. What am I thinking? Alright, so let's go into mini plugin, or not mini plugin. We need to write the player, some of the player data. So let's go into network, go to server, core, account. In account, we want to make a new class, and we're going to call it player data manager. Okay. And we want to implement listener. There we go. Control Shift O, import listener. Alright, so let's do public map and we will go string comma space player data and it's going to cast player data. And then we're going to import map. And now we are going to finish a bunch of this. So then we need to make, let's just make that should be a capital P. Okay. So let's create class and create player data. Okay. So this is going to be all the data that's going to go back and forth, back and forth. So let's just give this string UUID. Let's give it public ranks rank. Control Shift O. Okay. And let's see what else. Let's do public player data, and we are going to give it string UUID. Whoops. This is supposed to be up here. String UUID, comma ranks rank. There we go. And And let's do a few more methods. Let's do public int time underscore online. Let's do public int game currency. And let's do public int cosmetic currency. Cosmetic currency. There we go. Okay. And then let's just do comma int time comma int gc int cc. Alright, so let's do this dot uuid equals let's actually do it like this. And there. Next we'll do this dot rank this dot rank equals rank. Oh wait, it's not rank, it's ranks. There we go. I know, it's rank. Weird. Alright, this. Wait, no, not this. Time. Alright, so then let's just grab time online equals time. Game currency equals GC. Oops, GC. And cosmetic currency, when we get there, is CC. There we go. Okay, so I should probably add some more methods in here for the player data, but let's see. How good are we doing on time? 23 minutes? There's still a good amount of stuff we need to do in here, and then we have to write the player data manager, and then we need to finish the account system. I was just thinking about this when we were writing the get ranks, that we're calling all these player UUID, player name, but there is no way for Bucket to know whose player UUID, player name, goes to what player and what, and then to write it into the database. It doesn't know. So that's why we need to write this player data, which is going to take a good amount of time. Not really. But let's see. I really should write the punishment system while I'm doing the player data, so we don't have to write it later. But we'll just write it later, because it will take some time to do, and we don't even have the account system working correctly, so I don't want to add anything else to the account system. Public ranks get rank, and then return rank. Okay. Public void set rank ranks, rank, and then this dot rank equals rank. There we go. Let's do public int get time underscore online. There we go. We want to return this. Oh wait, no. Wait. Return. We want to return time underscore online. Alright, time online, let's see. And then we want to do public void add. Let's just do IME underscore online. And let's do time online plus plus. There we go. Okay. Wait, why did I put I'm? Add time online. And I'd kind of like to get the rest of this method done so we don't have to work in here anymore. So let's see, what are we doing on time? 27 minutes? We might just be able to get this class done. Let's see, after we add the time, we need to do public int get game currency. So get game underscore currency. And there we go. Get game currency. And then we want to return game currency. Whoops. Alright, so then after we get the game currency, we need to do set. I'm just going to copy game currency. We want to set game currency, so public void set game currency. And then we are going to give it an integer. We're going to give it an int of, I'm just going to make it simple and do GAME underscore currency. Okay. And I'm going to do game currency equals game currency. And why I'm doing lowercase is because this is the main method. Lowercase means it's the regular method that's going to get sent out. Alright, so You know what? I might just stop for today because we're at 30 minutes. So tomorrow we will finish the player data, and we will jump into the player data manager, and we will 98% sure we will finish the player data manager. That part's really not going to take long. And then we should be able to maybe, just maybe, finish the account system. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my tutorials to see more. And I'm looking forward to your comments. If any of you guys want to comment on the video, tell me what you like, if there should be anything changed, or anything I should add to this series. So everything that we're going to be doing in the series is making a hub system. So that will be with maybe hub cosmetics and a game or a mini game system, maybe even a portal system to go to each server. We'll just see how far we go with this. So I'm rambling. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.